What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome Cydia tweak that you must download. This tweak will allow you to hack many popular apps easily with just one click. As you see, this tweak will allow you to hack more than 100 apps easily, and it is completely free tweak. All you need to do is enable the buttons here, and that's it. As you see, a lot of apps. Now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add this source. Or just add my source. After adding the source, go to the search. Now here search for tools for Cydia tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. This tweak will allow you to hack many popular apps with just one click. Now just go ahead and install the tweak. Click modify, install, confirm. I already installed the tweak, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings, scroll down and open tools for Cydia tweak preferences. This is the tweak. This tweak is enabled automatically. The first option here allows you to hack apps and get the full version for free. Just enable the hack for the app you want and that's it. As you see, there are many popular apps that you can hack easily with this tweak. All you have to do is enable the button near the app. You can hack many popular apps such as design apps, VPN apps, fitness apps, and more. This tweak is one of the important tweaks that allows you to hack apps easily, and it also allows you to buy in-app purchases for free. The second option here is free in-app purchase, and this option allows you to hack in-app purchase. Of course, it doesn't work on all apps and games. This feature is of course similar to the local IAP store tweak. The third option here allows you to remove ads from some apps that contains ads. Just enable the hack for the app you want and say bye-bye to ads. After making any changes, click Respring to apply and save the changes. This tweak is one of the best Cydia tweaks that allows you to hack apps easily, and it is a completely free tweak. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace!